What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl VictoriaBlends, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I get my signature one curl strand ponytail. So if you're interested on how to get this look, just continue watching. So I'm going to be starting off my hair in its natural form. It is 1 week without washing, and usually when I go a week without washing and not having any products in it, I like to start with heat or finish with heat and then do a wash and a mask. So I use a NUME wand, and I really love this medium barrel curl. So I'm going to basically teach you how to remove a ponytail or a ponytail band, and you want to basically unravel it and then pull. So you don't want to pull completely when your pony is tight because you'll just be ripping strands off. And I'm going to be starting to basically detangle any snarls and make everything smooth so the brush can go through smoothly. And I'm just going to comb out any hair that's stuck to my scalp so I can get some lift and volume when the ponytail is in. And since my hair has not been washed for a week, it also has like that tight feeling on my scalp because it's been in a ponytail. So yeah, anyways, I will be using It's a 10 products, and these are some blow dry mists. I use 2 different kinds, so I'll link them down below. I really like how my curls were super smooth and super shiny with this blow dry mist. That's a heat protectant. It says to use on wet hair, but I used it on my dry hair, and I really like how the cream absorbed into the hair. And as you can see, when I spray out the It's a 10, since it's so dense, the spraying, like the nozzle, literally helps release any clumps of thickness of the product. So I love the spray nozzle. So you can use either brush. I have a back combing brush for volume and root lifting, and like smoothing your hair, but I really like this double-sided brush for smoothing. That's what I prefer. And since I've been using that rubber band, I'm going to get rid of it and choose a new nice ponytail holder. I'm just smoothing out the rest of my hair, and I'm going to flip my hair to create volume because it's really low and I wanted a higher ponytail, or a piggy tail I should call it. I don't know. That's when you Google the word piggy tail or piglet tail, you'll see the one curl strand ponytail. So I'm just going to remove my glasses so I can smooth out all my entire hair all over my scalp and spray a little bit with some volume to smooth any flyaways on my scalp, basically. I'm not going to spray my ponytail because I need to apply heat to it. So right now I'm just looking in the mirror and basically separating the hair. I'm not sure how many times I do separate my ponytail in different parts, but that's the key to getting a nice formed piggy tail, is when you do your ponytail in sections. So I'm going to say ponytail for what I have right now. It's a ponytail, and I'm turning it into like a piglet's tail. That's what I call it because it's super, super, super short and springy. And throughout the day, I just like to roll my fingers through it and stretch it out a little bit because my hair is really long. And I just love a really, really long hair piglet tail. I think that's so cool and so pretty. It's super classic, and it just like puts dirty hair like in its place, literally. If you're like not wanting to wash it and you are going somewhere and you're like, oh my gosh, I have no time for this. So yeah. Anyways, so as you can see, I hold it once it's out of the barrel and I wait until all the heat is out, and then I spray it with some volume. So I'm going to take another piece of hair, another section, and do the same exact thing. I'm just separating it here, kind of stretching it out, and I smooth it out without combing it, because if I comb it, then I'm just going to pull the top of my hair on my scalp and like just create those little bumps and snarls. So I kind of just finger comb it, and then I hold on to it real tight, and then I smooth out basically, I guess, the frizz at the bottom. And what I like to do is, because my hair is like really, really wavy and really curly, I like to smooth out the base of the ponytail so there's no frizzies and stuff, and the heat can smooth out any frizzies or any kinks and waves that my natural hair is going through right now. Well, that's just what it is. You know, you brush through your natural hair, you're gonna get wrath. So yeah, I'm just going to hold it with the heat, and then I kind of twirl it. And I love this NUME wand because literally, if you could see the bottom of the curling iron, it just easily helps you rotate, and you could just do it with that ease without the wire kinking and just making a mess. So there we go. I hold it again, wait till the heat goes away, spray it, and now I'm just going to join the two curls. I love it so much. This is my favorite part. I go all the way to the end, and I make sure that the end of the curls just form together. Push that up, spray a little bit more so both of them can connect, and I just continue on with the rest of my ponytail. So there I go, I'm doing the base, and I kind of lift right here, but since I'm far away from the mirror, it's not at its full potential of volume at the base of my ponytail. What I really like to do, like a big I Dream of Jeannie ponytail, that's what I like. And I don't wear any extensions or hair pieces. I'm pretty sure if you put some hair extensions and you do a huge, huge, huge piglet tail, that would look so pretty. Because at the end of this video, I kind of like take a little bit of hair and wrap my base of my ponytail. But if you have like clip-ins and extensions or whatever, then that base of the ponytail is going to look so cute. So yeah, I'm going to continue on. You can see a little bit of the frizzes. My hair is growing because I've been nourishing it, taking vitamins, masking my hair. I stopped drinking coffee for like 2 weeks already, and my skin has transformed. My hair has transformed. And yeah, so I have some hair growing in, and those are just short pieces. So there, now I'm twisting it, but also giving volume, and I kind of hold it. So it has that super bumped up, lifted effect. I don't ever pull down, because if I pull down, then I'm just going to stretch out the entire ponytail. And I don't like that. Well, I mean, it's cute and stuff. It's just, that's not the look that I was going for. So I always want to use like a volume spray and lift it. The only way that I go down is when I'm twisting all the pieces together. So yeah, you'll see me twist everything and then spray real lightly, because I don't really like a crunchy effect on finished hair. Usually you brush that out if you spray, and then you just brush out waves. So I'm finishing up the rest of my strands, and I do like to take thinner pieces. I feel like if you take like a big thick chunk of hair, it's not going to volumize right, it's not going to lift, it's not going to smooth out. You know, the smaller your strands, the more smoothness that you'll get in each piece, and then when all the pieces are connected, you get this one smooth ponytail, and it just feels so silky, and it's so fun to feel every single time you like flip your head like, what? I love my little piglet tail. I love it so much. I hope you guys try this. You are going to love it. And so yeah, I'm just finishing up here, I believe. This is going to be one of the last strands. And as you can see, it's kind of like lifting little by little. at the base for that volume. But also it's flat because I'm so far away from my mirror that I was going to do this style, but I also wanted to film, but I also didn't want like my background to be, off. So I'm trying my best, and yeah, I think it came out pretty decent. So here is the last of the last. I'm just going to smooth and tighten so it's super warm. And then I like to lift and wrap at the same time. And to be honest, I was kind of in the rush because this was the last one already and I had to redo it. But just remember that if you're going to take out your piece that you've been curling already, make sure that you're wrapping it the exact same way that you wrapped it the first time. And if you just take it out and you don't like it and you think that it needs more oomph, more curl, more hold, take it out, redo it the exact same way that you curled it the first time. If you do the opposite, you're prone to it just smoothing out and you're just going to have like this smooth piece of strand and it's not going to connect well with the other little piglet pieces. So cute. Okay. So I'm just letting it like dry. Well, not dry. It's kind of like you can feel like the moisture because of the heat protectant. So sometimes like the heat can help your hair dry and cool off. So that's the like look I was going for. I was waiting for like to dry off and stuff. So there's no moisture. And without the moisture, there'll be no frizz. So I just smoothed this piece out and I grabbed 2 bobby pins and I'm going to wrap my little hair tie really quick. This is the piece that I was talking about, that if you had hair extensions and you had like a big piglet's tail, then this piece would look so cute with a large base ponytail. It looks like a genie ponytail. I love it so much. It's my favorite. And again, I used to do this ponytail in high school when I would work in, sports and do sports and attend gymnastics meets and all this stuff, because I just feel like it was very classic, very stylish and put together. And I continued on with this ponytail into working at different makeup counters, and I thought it was just so pretty, and it puts you together without you just doing a little bun and wrapping all your hair under like an entire wig, and I love it so much. Just a little spray to finish everything off. And so now what I'm doing is just putting my fingers through each piece and lifting it. If you had a stylist, you can also have your stylist backcomb it with the skinny little brush. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!